Okay, my activity is describe the picture. First, I'm going to explain, and later I'm going to show you the images that I'm supposed to use in this activity. Description. Students will develop their critical thinking, activate background knowledge, make them able to predict the topic, and of course increase their vocabulary. This activity can be used for any level. The time about 10 or 15 minutes. The skill is speaking and writing, and the materials are the picture, board, and some markers. The procedure. The teacher shows to the whole class a picture. Make sure that they can see it clearly to be able to describe it. Give them 5 minutes to observe them, and then take the picture down and tell the students to describe what they saw. Share with their classmate. Give them about 3 or 5 minutes to do it. Now split the class into two teams and divide the classroom in two. Select two students randomly from each team to come to the board. Give a mark to each and tell them they have to write down as many things as they saw in the picture. Give them 5 minutes. Teams can shout answers to the writers. Finally, when the time's up, let's check. Tell the students to sit down and reveal the picture again. Give them 1 point for everything they got right. No points if the teams repeated a word. The team with more correct answers is the winner. So now I'm going to show you the images. In this case, I'm going to show this image. The student have to observe carefully because it has to be obviously the topic. So they have to observe and look all the things that are happening in this picture. For example, if you can see, there's a lot of people there at the beach, but they are doing some stuff. One girl is reading, the other boys are playing, the other are talking. So in this case, the topic is action verbs. They have to look at the image and then they're going to guess. The image don't have to be too obvious for they to think. And as a variation, I have another image. You can change the image according to the topic that you are going to teach. For example, in this case, you can see a lot of people there on the street, but if you look carefully, you can see means of transportation. There's an airplane, train, bus. So you can change the image according to the topic that you are going to use.